happened just now, front of Omega. We just closed from church. A serious accident. It just happened now. A serious accident. Dangote trailer crushed lives. Crushed more than 3, 4, 5 vehicles just now. This is front of Omega Fire Ministry. This is front of Omega Fire Ministry. Dangote trailer at it again. Dangote trailer. Dangote trailer at it again. They are rescuing men now, dragging lives out from the vehicle. Hold the driver! Hold the driver! Hold that driver!
Well, these Dangote trucks, yeah. Wow. It's getting more interesting. I think this Dangote need reform, big reform. So another accident again for say Auchi.
Sorry, boss.
The Nigerian government need to plant truck to go for this time.
Sulaiman na kiale gbe. No. JLK up for
Yes, another day and another story for Dangote trucks. Another day and another story. Last week and last 2 weeks, another one happened for same Auchi. Maybe say it come get accident, come involve one of a BB Ninja star, Fina younger sister. Maybe say they come amputate the leg. Now today Sunday, which is today 17 August 2025, another one happened today for say Auchi for opposite Omega Fire Ministry, opposite Apostle Sulaiman church. That thing happened. Be like say they also close for church. Like another Dangote truck still fail. Think brake fail and something like that, because that place on slope. They all the slope like that. I think maybe if they don't descend like this, go on with the whole, well, you know, the brake fail the truck. So another day, another Dangote truck wahala. And according to Nigeria, Dangote truck don't buy a lot of people. And it's getting more interesting. I think Dangote transportation need a reform. Need to reform am. Make sure say those people put their truck in order before their truck go fit enter road, or make federal government ban truck to dey move during the day. That will be better, because you need to ban the truck to dey move during the day. Because if they not ban the truck to move during the day, wahala dey. Many people go see dey kpai, because na heavy duty truck. So any slight mistake, sometimes dem fit go give them, maybe say mostly those cement own. Those one maybe say na cement. Now they mostly get this problem. If you be say na 500 tons now they carry, they fit go give am 600, 700. It will come overload for the motor, because say they want make money. At the end of the day, things go come dey happen. And people just dey call out Dangote. Yes, these motors are not, they register them under Dangote. Na individual na im get all those trucks. You understand? Individuals. E get one man dey work that the guy said he get 150 truck. He register there under Dangote to dey carry Dangote cement. Yeah, for haulage. Na so dem dey do am. But once you register under Dangote, dem come write Dangote name. But you go think say all those trucks na Dangote get am. No, not be Dangote get am. Those trucks are owned by companies, individuals also. Individuals wey be say dem fit buy trucks. Some people get 20, 50 trucks. They register under Dangote, they carry Dangote cement, Dangote sugar, Dangote everything. So now so that the thing they work. So that is why if we call it now Dangote for this one, you could just say na Dangote, now get this truck. But now Dangote name, now the truck carry. But originally not be Dangote get the truck. dem dey haulage for Dangote, dey carry Dangote product, then the company go dey pay dem, because if dem need goods for Kaduna, those one go book, then they'll carry them go give for Kaduna from Dangote, maybe for Dangote company, for anywhere, maybe for Kogi State or anywhere dey. So those trucks are owned by individuals, are not owned by Dangote, but they registered are under Dangote group to dey carry Dangote products. So that one maybe say Dangote just doing it gbege because they get policies and insurance for all those truck and accident victims. That is why Dangote have to send the people go meet that girl, maybe say get accident, to make sure say dem get the best medical care, like the level carry go abroad, something like that. But this one may see happen again. They need to look Dangote transportation system. They need to look what is happening, because it's getting too much. Because all those people may get those trucks. Sometimes the truck might get one or two problems. They'll say, okay, just manage and go carry this one come. So if you guys want to go fix am, at the end of the day, if you go there, the truck will come back. So those individual and company maybe say they register their trucks under Dangote. You guys should put your acts in order, put these trucks in order, and make sure say na the tons maybe say the truck go fit carry, na the truck they carry. No, they put people life on the line again. It's getting more interesting, man.